President Donald Trump addressing some concerns at the CDC, requesting drug companies provide data supporting the effectiveness of their COVID vaccines. As ABC's Christiane Cordero reports, this follows criticism of his health secretary's vaccine policy changes and the departure of the CDC's former director.
This morning, President Trump is weighing in on the growing turmoil at the CDC, asking pharmaceutical companies to justify the success of their COVID vaccines, writing, quote, "Many people think they are a miracle that saved millions of lives. Others disagree." The COVID vaccines were developed during Trump's first administration, but have been subject to policy changes since the president appointed Robert F. Kennedy Jr., a vaccine skeptic, to lead the Department of Health and Human Services. And now 9 of the CDC's former directors who served both Republican and Democratic administrations are speaking out.
We couldn't sit by and let that be without lifting up our voices and calling on Congress to fulfill its oversight function and look into the actions that are taking place.
The former CDC directors wrote in a New York Times op-ed that Kennedy has, quote, severely weakened programs designed to protect Americans from cancer, heart attacks, strokes, lead poisoning, injury, violence, and more. The op-ed comes just days after the ousting of the CDC's new director, Dr. Susan Minares. Sources tell ABC News Minares disagreed with Kennedy over changes to the COVID vaccine policy. Kennedy defended the decision to oust Minares by calling the agency, quote, trouble.
There's a lot of trouble at CDC, and it's going to require getting rid of some people over the long term.
Kennedy's Food and Drug Administration has scaled back the COVID vaccine approval to only seniors and people with high-risk conditions, raising concerns that the shot may no longer be covered for those who fall outside those criteria.
Amid the turmoil, Kennedy wrote an email to the CDC staff that reads, "This mission remains strong, and so does my full confidence in you." As for that op-ed, neither Kennedy nor the White House responded to our request for comment.